Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and it's thanks once again to Rob for sending in some more superb dashcam footage. Our coverage starts on the A52 heading southeast from Ashbourne to Derby. Our first turning is coming up, it's off to the right from this direction and it's signposted the Ednaston Business Centre. Once you've made the turn, turn immediately left and head through Ednaston village. After around half a mile, the entrance to the site will be on the left hand side. And here we are. Thanks once again to Rob for providing the footage and to you two for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.